So, we're going to talk about the handling and usage of dry ice in the summer. The first thing is get some gloves. You're not going to want to touch the dry ice. You'll get severe burns from it. But I think you got to be really stupid to hold it a long time in order to do it, but still get the gloves anyways. I like to use a big butcher knife to cut it, and the reason is it the knife then carries more heat and it actually goes through and can cut it easier. You can buy it from any local stores. It's pretty easy to procure. But here, I'll just show you an example of cutting it. So I just put the knife on it, just apply some pressure, rock it back and forth a little bit, and it literally just cuts off in a chunk, real easy. So that's how you cut it. Like I said before, gloves, very important handling this stuff. You will not regret it. But the great thing about dry ice is where regular ice, if you go camping, it'll melt in a few hours. Dry ice will stay good for a long time. But I want to caution you about something. If you put it around any of your foods, you can actually freeze or burn it and do damage. So make sure you insulate, a couple inches, like put a blanket around the dry ice so it's not directly touching any of your foods. So that's how you cut dry ice. That's how you handle dry ice. All this is a, you can see it right there. It's frozen carbon dioxide. Okay. Now, for 4th of July, here's what I like to do. Let me get some pieces of it. It actually chirps. I forgot about this. I'm making some chunks of this and I'm putting it in some water. Now, once I get this almost done, I'm actually going to stand back, because dry ice creates a gas when it gets in water. And I can hear it bubbling right now. Remember, use gloves. Gloves are important. Gloves are very important. You can see it boiling off. I have no idea how much to use. Never done this before, but we're going to try it. Remember, it's going to give a little bit of a pop. Oops. Oh, you can see it bubbling. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to do this and I'm going to stand the hill back. I'm not going to put it on too. I want it to be able to escape. Alright, it's still bubbling. Crackling, it's close. I'm going to stand back just a little bit. That was cool.